I know we haven't uploaded videos on here in a while. Andreas has been the one uploading videos primarily right now, so they're all from his point of view, but today I'm uploading a Minecraft video from my point of view. I already uploaded this video to my personal channel, which will be linked down below as always for you guys to come and check out. If you haven't seen it, we killed the Ender Dragon. Me, Andreas, Adam unfortunately isn't here, and a couple of our friends, and we got on Minecraft and we killed the Ender Dragon. Oh, also my girlfriend's here, so you'll get to meet my girlfriend, technically. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
How many hits it take for them to die usually?
I don't
A
know.
lot.
Oh, what the heck? Why are you attacking the Enderman, Andreas?
They're attacking me. What do you mean?
Try to ignore them. That's not the focus right
They're
now.
all loaded like ganging up on me, bro.
Okay, then die and then respawn.
They're all attacking me right now, bro.
They're attacking me too.
They're all like
Okay.
fucking with me.
Okay, we got one more crystal. I got it.
You sure?
Oh, never mind. Whoever is that over there's got it.
I already had it. That was me. I took that L for you guys.
Oh shit, I'm about to die.
Oh, my...
This is so stressful.
There we go. It is stressful. Yes, I agree.
I didn't like Ethan.
I'm recording too, by the way, so...
Okay.
Oh my god, I did not even look at any of these guys. Why are you attacking me?
Wait, what's that? Wait, yeah, I didn't do anything either.
I died. Her.
That's why we have the arrows now. It's a her, yes.
How do you know?
Egg.
Andreas, are you still in creative mode?
No.
Oh.
I've already died twice. Why the fuck would I?
I was gonna say, Andreas, you're an OG for that. Oh my god.
We're killing her pretty good right now.
Hold on, wait for
Good
me.
job.
Do arrows even do anything?
Jordan. Yeah. Okay, we got a quarter.
Oh, we've got her.
Only melee? Why? Why?
I mean, shoot arrows at the.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Okay, only melee her when she lands. That's what my...
Yeah, shoot arrows at her while she's up in the sky.
Yeah.
You can't get her with the. How many arrows do I have left? Oh wow, I have a lot left.
Because you have infinity.
Yeah, I know. Nice.
You're welcome. Or that's more my brother, but...
Thanks.
Bubba.
Dude, I'm just
Jordan.
launching arrows at this son of a gun.
Good. Wait for her to drop again and then we'll be good.
This little fucking whore.
God, we've got like an army of people on this bitch.
Dude, this is awesome.
This bitch won't die.
Wholesome.
This is epic
This-
gamer moment.
This is all we
This is a
needed.
bro moment.
Why is it-
Ah, what is...
Anyone need food?
No.
I'm good right now. Thank you,
I
though.
have enough. I have like 15.
I haven't even used any of my golden apples.
I've
have
used two.
Dude, we're so close.
I have one left right now.
Oh, she's flipping out.
Yeah, I know.
Anthony, what are you
She's
doing?
about to land. She's about to land.
Anthony, what are you doing?
What is he doing?
I'm attacking the
Like-
dragon.
No, you gotta.
Ah,
Yeah!
GG.
Woo!
You won?
Wait, why
Fuck
did
this
you
next
do
game.
this, not us?
GG.
Why did you
Yeah.
do this, not us? Do you get one for Enderman usually?
No,
or-
why is the Enderman attacking me?
It's 1 out of 10 chances of getting it. Getting
Okay,
one.
well, I got one.
One what? Ender pearl?
Yeah.
I have... Yeah, I
What do
have
we
two
need
right now.
ender pearls?
So we can. Oh my god, I've explained this 5 times.
You can like go places like fly places or like.
No!
No!
Oh my god!
Ooh.
Okay.
What is... I'm floating.
I don't know. You're floating.
Yeah.
Ooh. Are you
Oh,
high?
there's a fucking thing in here.
Get wrecked.
Whoa, me too. I'm done.
Oh yeah, because you got hit by a shulker.
What does that do?
It makes you float.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's about it.
How do you kill them? What's best to kill them? A sword or a
Sword.
pickaxe?
Dude, I'm floating too. I'm floating really high.
Who face one to light two. Are these elytras? What are these? Oh, do we need ender rods?
They produce pretty light, so yes, I would recommend it.
End rods? Yeah.
Oh, F. My armor is getting
Oh,
fucked.
shit.
Thanks, Jordan.
Oh, I found one. I think that's the one you guys are at, but I don't know. Oh, fuck, it's the one you guys are at. Fuck.
I ran out of the slow falling, so that's irritating.
Where are you guys right now?
I'm floating in the air, vicariously.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
Bi curious.
That's
You're
me.
bi-curious?
No, I'm not curious, I know.
Oh, okay.
Bro, look.
Oh, my chunks aren't loading. That's dangerous, especially in the end.
God, yeah.
It doesn't even matter.
Shut the fuck up. I just got that.
Kidding. One day.
You have to try. You killed the Enderman and then you died. It doesn't matter because you know you tried.
Dude, I got 2 diamonds.
One thing, you don't know why. Every time you try to kill an Enderman, you die. You try to respawn and it doesn't work, and you try it again. Now you're just a jerk. Oh, I died.